Good morning, this is Brad Langdon of MarineMax, Lake Norman. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the Chaparral 246 SSI we have installed. If you look forward, you'll see you have bow seating on both sides, anchor locker with a ladder up front, speakers up here, cup holders up here. You have a folding windshield, obviously to keep the wind off of you. You also have storage underneath the dash, opens up to the stereo. To port, you have the storage area that opens up to a head. On the starboard side, we have a standard dash, trim gauge, tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge. Breaker switch is located underneath the dash, 12-volt outlet, stereo control here, binnacle control here. On both seats, on helm seats, you have fold-up bolsters. You have U-shaped seating back here, an area that opens up to the engine room as well. Standard bimini top with stainless frame. Cup holders in the back, speakers in the back, as well as a slide table mount. And moving back, we have the fuel fill. We have a boarding ladder, foldable cleats, a large area for sunbathing, a stereo remote control, and a water fill. So come see us at Lake Norman. I'm Brad Langdon. This is the Chaparral 246.